Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to set your browser as the default on your mobile device. This is a simple process that ensures all your links open automatically in your preferred browser. First, open the internet browser on your mobile device. Next, look for the menu icon at the bottom right and tap on it. Then, scroll through the menu options and select Settings. After that, find the option labeled Set as Default Browser and turn it on. Once it is enabled, your mobile device will show a list of available browsers. Choose the internet browser you want to use as default from the list and confirm your selection. Finally, click on Set as Default to complete the process and make sure all links open in your chosen browser automatically. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.